Hey guys, I have like the biggest Sheglam haul. I bought so much stuff recently. Like, I think my total order came to like 400 and something. But yeah, I spent a lot of money on Sheglam makeup. So let's unbox it. There's a lot to go through. So let's get started. I think I'm going to start by taking it all out. I don't know, guys. There's a lot. I'm overwhelmed. I guess we just get into it. So I'm just going to this is going to be no particular order because there's like a lot. So I'm just kind of going to grab whatever I can and show it to you in no particular order. So the first thing I have here is the Insta Party glitter liner. This one's in the shade Firework and this looks so pretty. I've got a few of these already, but I haven't used them yet because like I wanted to do a full face of Sheglam, but like I was missing a lot of products, so that's why I've ordered all of this stuff and probably got a bit overboard. But how pretty is this? Look at that. Stunning. Let's give her a little swatch. Oh, that's so cute and so pretty. So that's that there. I'm honestly probably not going to swatch everything because there's so much here. I just had to swatch that one. Had to know what it looked like. I'm so excited to try these out. These look so cool. So these are called Lip Dazzler glitter kits. So they're meant to be like glitter lip kits. So it says the ultimate 3-in-1 kit has arrived. Reach for our Lip Dazzler glitter kit every time you have a glamorous outing or casual day out for a lip that dares to dazzle, including a lip adhesive, brush, glitter and liner. So yeah, like I don't know, I just thought this was like something like I'll probably film a separate video on these because these like I don't know, these really caught my surprise. So the little kit is really cute. This one is called Center Stage. I think I've got a couple of these to be honest. So yeah, it's super cute. So it looks like it comes with like a lip liner. Yeah, so you get like a little lip liner, and then you get lip adhesive, which is that stuff there, and then you get a glitter. Put it on. Like I don't know, I just feel like that's really cute. That's the glitter for that one. But yeah, keep an eye out because I'm definitely going to do a video trying these out because they really intrigued me. Like I've never heard of these before. There's actually so much plastic on all of this stuff. I think what I'm going to do is go off camera, like unwrap everything because like everything is just like so full of plastic, and then I'll be back and we can unbox it all. I literally just spent like 15 minutes getting all of that plastic off. So okay, I got another one of the little glitter lip kits. This one's in the shade of Debonte and I'll show you the glitter for this one. I feel like this glitter looks kind of similar. Like, I think a little bit more like pinky though. But that's that one there. So I'm not going to worry about swatching these or anything because I am going to make like a dedicated video to those. Yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like there's something a little bit fun and a little bit different. We have the Good Grip Hydrating Primer, which I'm really excited. I'm guessing this is meant to be similar to the like Milk Makeup one. It says buckle in base makeup because you're not going anywhere. Our newest oil and silicone free primer features a refreshing gel texture that makes your skin soft, smooth and healthy and moist. Additionally, this primer gets absorbed into your skin in a flash and keeps your makeup in place for hours on end. And I really love the packaging of this. I don't know, it just looks really cute. Like, I don't know, it gives me like super like futuristic vibes or something. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's really cool. So yeah, very excited to try that one out. This is the Jellylicious Hydrating Lip and Blush Tint, and mine's in the shade Howdy. Honestly, I don't even remember like what I ordered, so I feel like this is one of those like jelly kind of things. It is, guys. This looks so cool. Look at it. I really want to eat it. It doesn't have a smell. How do you use it? Do you just like, oh my god, you do. You just, that's the shade there. So cool. I cannot wait. So yeah, that one, like I said, is called Howdy. And yeah, so you can use it on your lips or as a blush. I feel like it's actually going to be quite a nice shade. I feel like it's going to be one of those products you need to learn how to use it though, because I feel like it could go very wrong very quick. This is the Skin Focus High Coverage Powder Foundation. I got mine in the shade Chantilly. I love how they put their like foundation products and stuff in this little bag. I feel like it's so cute and makes it feel so luxe. Oh no, this is not my shade. Oh, hang on, sorry. When the thing's closed, it looked like really like bronze. Like it looked like a bronzer shade. But no, that'll be quite nice. I feel like I'm really excited. I really enjoy... Oh my god, that feels like actual velvet. So I'm very excited for that. But yeah, I do really enjoy a lot of the Sheglam base products that I've tried out. I'm very excited for these things. I feel like their like staple line overall seems to be pretty good. I feel like they haven't seemed to get the grip on eyeshadows yet, at least with the palettes that I've tried, but as for like the foundations and stuff, I've really enjoyed them. So got this little lip liner trio. This is the So Lippy lip liner set in Espresso Kisses, and we have 3 shades in here. We have But First Coffee, Mojave, and Toasted. Or is it Mojave? I don't know. Oh, the packaging's really cute. It's like that kind of soft matte looking thing. I just don't know how you know which is which, unfortunately. I don't think it tells you. Yeah, it doesn't tell you what the shades are on the actual thing, which is a bit of a pain. So yeah, they're not like individually. It just says So Lippy lip liner. So I'll just swatch them for you and show you. They seem to be really nice shades though. This packaging's really nice. It's like winding up the actual like pencil up and down. It feels really like smooth. It's weird. Okay, these swatches are a bit dodgy because I accidentally swatched them over the top of like something oily on my hand. I'm a bit like upset that they don't tell you like what the shades are. But anyway, it doesn't matter too much, I guess. Okay, so that is all of them swatched. You can see that they're all quite nice, like just like neutral shades. Yeah, I don't know if you're just kind of meant to like figure it out yourself or what, but either way, super cute. This is the Radiance Ring 3-in-1 Correcting Setting Powder, which I'm really excited about. They had so many cool setting powders and I actually bought more than I realised. It says, they say all good things come in threes and this setting powder is no exception. Our Sheglam Radiance Ring 3-in-1 Correcting Setting Powder features 3 unique ultra fine loose powders that blur, colour correct and illuminate your complexion, giving you a stunning blurred radiant look. Oh, I actually love the packaging of that. How cute is that? That's so sweet. So comes with a little powder puff, and then you can see in here there's like the 3 different colours. I've actually never tried powder like this that has like 3 different colours in it, so I'm really excited. So I wonder if you just like mix them all together. I don't know, but I'm really excited to try that out, and I think the packaging is so pretty. I got the Press Refresh setting spray, and I think this is also meant to be like the Power Grip, you know, like a Power Grip dupe. Super cute. Maybe not. I don't know. It says, keeps your makeup fresh, smells like a vacation. Okay, now I need to smell it. Oh, okay. It's not my favourite scent. It smells a bit coconutty, but it smells like kind of fake coconut, you know? But I'm excited to try out the actual setting spray. It says, we like our glam like we like our love, everlasting. But sometimes sweat and outside elements can cause our makeup to fade. The solution, keep your look fresh from AM to PM with our coconut scented setting spray. It's like a pick-me-up in a bottle that smells like a breezy beach vacation. Hint, you want to keep this baby on you at all times. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. Next we have the Hydra Touch Refreshing Setting Powder. It says, a loose powder made out of water. Yep, you heard that right. This water-based setting powder leaves your skin looking natural and fresh all day. Plus it removes unwanted shine from your base while hydrating your skin for the perfect base. Literally wet to touch. What? This powder refreshes the skin and doesn't fly away while applying. Girl, what? Okay, no wonder I bought so many different powders because they obviously all sound very cool. I'm so worried like that these scissors are gonna go flying and just like, I know one day I'm gonna injure myself. I got all of the plastic off, but I forgot to cut like the little like stickers. But anyway, what do you mean wet to the touch? Like, I am so confused right now. Okay, once again, such cute packaging. It says, keep lid closed tightly after using. Do I open it? I'm gonna open it. I'm so like intrigued. Let's like, what? That is so weird. It literally feels wet. I am so confused. So like it looks like powder, but like, yeah, it's like, it feels wet. I don't know if it's That is like the weirdest sensation ever. That is so cool. I cannot wait to use it on my face because I'm just like, that is just kind of really like blowing my mind right now. Like what the hell? That is so fun. Like so weird. So weird. If you know how that works, please let me know down below because my brain is like blown right now. Next we have the Glacier Glow Smoothing Primer. It says when your skin needs an extra dose of hydration before your glam, reach for our Sheglam Glacier Glow Smoothing Primer. Featuring a smooth water-based texture that's cool to the touch, this primer fills pores and develops a soft focus isolation layer that fights antioxidants over time and reduces oiliness during the day. I love the packaging, like I love the colour of this. Oh, cute! I love how everything looks. Like I feel like everything just looks so cool. But anyway, this one has like a little spoon that comes with it. And I'm not going to undo it yet because I'll wait until my video. But cute. So you must kind of like scoop it out and like pop it on your face. How cute and exciting. Can't wait to use that. But yeah, I don't know. I just love that like some of the packaging is stuff that like we don't typically see. So, okay. This is the Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo. Mine is in the shade Bubblegum. Cute. So it looks like this. Up the top, we have like the pressed powder. I don't know why I went with pink. I can't remember, but oh well. And then down like you undo it and you've got like your loose powder down the bottom. So that's exciting. I'm very excited to try that out as well. They honestly have some really cool products. Like I actually do really enjoy Sheglam. I think they're such a fun brand. This is the Sunbeam Bronzer in Toffee. Love the packaging of this as well. Oh my god, that almost went on my top. Oh, that looks like a really nice shade. I think this is my first, that's it there, bronzing product from Sheglam. So yeah, I was in desperate need of a bronzer from them. This is the Pout Cushion Lip Gloss in KO. Oh my god, how cute is this? Love the packaging of that. So Pout Pillow Cushion Lip Gloss. It's like one of those, you know, things that everyone loves and you put it on and stuff. Guys, I can't tell if I should make this 2 parts because no, it's okay. I thought we've still got a fair amount of stuff to go through, but it's okay. So yeah, got that. I got these lashes. I was gonna do a lash try, but now I'm wondering if I should actually use them or if I should put them in a giveaway or something. This is them there, so they're super cute. They've got like 4 pairs of like normal lashes, and then they've got 4 pairs that has like, we've got some with butterflies, we've got some like that have hot pink tips. So yeah, I don't know what I'll do with those yet, but we'll wait and see. This is the Divine Flush Matte Blush in Insta Flame. The packaging of this is so nice and so sleek. It's like a soft matte touch. Girl, why did I order that? Oh, cute. It's like an ombre one. Oh. No, I feel like it's cute. It's nice. It's a little bit like dark, but it's real cute. I got one of the Moonside highlighters. This one's in Moon Rose. And I've already got a couple highlighters from Sheglam, but anyway, so yeah. That's how it looks there. Oh wow, that shade's absolutely stunning. Okay, actually it looks very sheer, I'm not gonna lie. So, I don't know, we'll have to see how it is applied on the face. In saying that, there were like e.l.f. highlighters like a couple of years ago where you had to take like the top layer off and then they were really good. Just popped a little bit on the cheek now. It's actually quite blinding on the face. Anyway, super cute, got that. This is the Glam 101 Lipstick and Liner Duo in Macaron. Cute, it's like a double-ended. I was like, oh, where's the liner? Okay, so that's one side. That's the liner. I actually like that it's like built in. I feel like that's quite cute. So that's that little lip kit there. Very cute. So again, the packaging is like super cute. Love that. I actually got another one of these. This one is called Warm Nutmeg. So yeah, this one's like more of like a brownie colour story on there. So cute. Got another one of the Insta Party glitter liners in, this one's in Twinkling Lights. Oh wow, this one's stunning as well. Look at that. Pink with like glitters all through it. swatch it next to the other one. So that's it there, the top one. How pretty. This is the Glow Addict Lip Balm in Peach Juice. Love the packaging of this. Like, I feel like that's so nice. Cute. So it's one of the ones that, like, I think you twist it up. I wonder if it smells. Cute. It has a scent, but it doesn't smell like peach, I don't think. I don't know. Anyway, it's like a rough swatch of it there. It's real cute though. This is... oh, this is another one. This one is in the shade Rocky Road. And this one looks more like a kind of brownie shade. Oh, we'd swatch that one, yep. Okay, we're down to our last couple of products. We have the Bright Eyes Cooling Concealer. It says, our newest metal tip concealer features a higher coverage formula, plus an innovative metal tip that cools and soothes your under eyes, enriched with phytosterolate and 100% olive source squalene to reduce your skin's transepidermal water loss. This concealer provides extreme moisture for a natural and ultra refreshed look. I got mine in the shade Buttercream, so hopefully it's an okay shade. Okay, cute. So that's how it looks there. So I can give that a go. Cute. I feel like the Huda Beauty concealer used to have that. Oh, that's so nice on the under eyes. Oops. Oh my god, I've lost it again. I got the So Rich Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I don't know, this is like really cute design. Love that. Wow, that's super black. That looks really nice. So excited to try that out. It's like a felt tip. And then the last thing we got is the Brow Archon Liquid Brow Pen. And I got these because I really like my Benefit one, the micro filling brow pen or whatever it is. Oh, so I thought, let's try it out. Mine's in the shade Chocolate. This was a part of their like Frida collection. So I got a spoolie on one end. Oh, okay, this is different to the one that the Benefit one. The Benefit one had like three like hairs on it, like three like strokes on it, so you kind of just brushed it through. But this one's like an actual like similar to like a eyeliner. But there it is there. That's the shade. So that was everything I got. I feel like I'm set for a while now. Oh god. But yes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm so excited to try these products out. So yeah, make sure you keep an eye out for upcoming videos. But yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.